All right, let's begin with problem solving. Nicole blows up 30 balloons for a class party. Michael blows up 4 fewer balloons than Nicole. How many balloons does Michael blow up? Let's read that one again. Nicole blows up 30 balloons for a class party. Michael blows up 4 fewer balloons than Nicole. How many balloons does Michael blow up? So let's start with what we know. Nicole blows up 30 balloons. And Michael blows up 4 fewer balloons than Nicole. So fewer, what does fewer mean? That's right, it means less. So if something is less, are we going to add or subtract? That's right, we're going to subtract. So 30 minus 4 equals, now taking away 4 is not that much, so we're going to use our counting back strategy. So first we have to start with our 30, because Nicole blew up 30 and Michael blew up 4 fewer. So we're going to count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many did Michael blow up? 26. 30 minus 4 equals 26. So Michael blew up 26 balloons. Great. Let's look at our next problem. Ryan has 23 bookmarks. He has 5 fewer bookmarks than Ivy. How many bookmarks does Ivy have? Let's read that one again. Ryan has 23 bookmarks. He has 5 fewer than Ivy. How many bookmarks does Ivy have? So we know that Ryan has 23 bookmarks. He has 5 fewer than Ivy. So notice that word than. He has 5 fewer than Ivy. That means Ivy has 5 more than him. So how are we going to find out what 5 more is? That's right, we have to add. Because Ryan has 5 fewer than Ivy, so to find out what Ivy has, we have to put the 5 more in. So 23 plus 5. Now that is also going to be a counting on strategy. So let's go to our 23. We're going to count on because Ivy has 5 more than Ryan because Ryan has 5 fewer than Ivy. So we're going to count up by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many does Ivy have? Ivy has 28 bookmarks because Ryan had 23 and he has 5 less than Ivy, so we had to put that more back to get the 28. That one's really tricky. Really pay a close attention when you hear the word than, because that usually means some kind of a comparing problem. Okay, let's move on to our next problem. Rima buys 9 stickers. Susie buys 6 stickers. Joan buys 5 stickers. How many stickers do they buy in all? Rima buys 9 stickers. Susie buys 6 stickers. And Joan buys 5 stickers. How many stickers do they buy in all? So are we adding or subtracting? That's right, we're adding because it's in all. So Rima buys 9 plus Susie buys 6 plus Joan buys 5. So I'm going to use the strategy where I combine the first 2 numbers. So let's go with 9 and 6, and we'll use the counting on. So we'll go to 9, and I count up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that makes 15, because 9 plus 6 makes 15, plus 5 more. So let's go back and count up 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what did we land on? 20. How many stickers do they buy in all? That's right, they bought 20 stickers in all. So now we've finished the review in your book, but I want to do some extra extra practice with you because I'm going to give you a little hint. On the chapter test, they always like to throw in some challenging problems. And so I want to prepare you for those kinds of problems. I know you can do the math. So I just want to make sure you understand what the problem is asking you. So we're going to begin with number 1 here. It says 32 plus 8 equals 10 plus something. Now this is tricky because they're not just giving you a straight answer. They're saying whatever's on this side has to equal whatever's on this side. Think of our teeter-totter. So first we have to figure out what is 32 plus 8. So here we go. I'm going to go to my counting on strategy. Start with my 32, and I'm going to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 32 plus 8 equals 40. Now the second part of this problem says 10 plus what equals 40. We're trying to figure out what do we have to add to 10 to get to 40. All right. So I'm going to go to my place value chart. I'm going to think about this. So I have 10. How much more do I have to add to get to 40? Ooh, this is kind of a fun one because we've been using our place value chart, right? So if we count by tens, oh, that'll be easy. How many tens will that be? 1, 2, 3 tens to get to 40. What is 3 tens? 10, 20, 30. So 10 plus 30 equals 40. Now we want to check our math. 10, and then we need 20, 30, 40. So we added 30. Did we get the same answer? Remember, it's like the seesaw. Whatever's on this side has to equal what's on this side because that equal sign is like the fulcrum of the balance, okay? So the next problem is very similar to that one. It's saying 17 plus 3 equals 10 plus something. Okay, so what is 17 plus 3? So let's count up to figure that out. 17 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. What did we land on? 20. So 17 plus 3 equals 20. So what do we add to 10 to make 20? I bet you already answered that. So here's my 10. How many more do I need to get to 20? That's right, just 10 more. So I've got 10, and 10 more makes 20. So 10 plus 10, so 17 plus 3 equals 10 plus 10. These are kind of challenging ones. Make sure when you're solving them that you're finding the answer for one side and making this one equal it. It's got like 2 parts. First you solve and then you go find the unknown. Okay, the next problem is hard as well. It says, what is the same as 4 less than 22? So when we say the same as, that's just a fancy way of saying what is equal to. What is the same as 4 less than 22? So first we have to figure out what is 4 less than 22. So let's go to our 22. We'll say 4 less, so we're going to count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 less than 22 is 18. So now we want to know which of these problems equals 18. Which one of those? How much is 10 plus 5? Let's try it. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that equal? 15. So not that one. What about 24 minus 4? Let's go to 24. When we minus, remember we are counting back. So 24 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so 24 minus 4 equals 20. Well, that's not 18 either, so I'm going to cross that one out. 10 minus 8. Ooh, make sure you're paying close attention to the symbols because they throw addition and subtraction at you. So 10 minus 8. So here's my 10. I'm going to count back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of you might have already known that right automatically. So what is it? 2. Ooh, not that one. Well, it should be the next one, but we'll have to check it just to make sure we did all our math right. So 10 plus 8. So let's start. 10 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did we land on? 18. Did we solve the problem? Yes, we did. So what is the same as 4 less than 22? 10 plus 8. Those are equal. All right, the next problem is similar to the one we just did. It says, what is equal to 26? Okay, so we have 26. We're saying which of these problems equals 26? So let's make sure you pay attention to the symbol, 20 minus 6. So let's find our 20. We're going to subtract 6. So are we counting forwards or backwards? That's right. When you subtract, you count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 minus 6 equals 14. Is that the same as 26? Nope. The next one says 24 plus 2. Let's go to our 24. When we add, we're counting up. 1, 2, 26. Oh, that looks like it's the same answer. Right, I'm going to go ahead and circle it, but I want to check the other problems just to make sure I did my math right. So 30 minus 3. So I'm going to find my 30, and I'm going to subtract 3. So 30 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? 27. Close, but not the same. All right, and the last one says 21 plus 9. So 21 plus 9. So I'm counting up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 30. Well, that one's not right either. So I guess we solved it. So what is equal to 26? 24 plus 2. Excellent. Now the last problem is a finding the unknown problem, which I know you're really good at finding the unknown, but we're working with bigger numbers now. So I'm going to pull out the place value chart. Again, you can use virtual manipulatives when you get to this point. So it's 27 minus something equals 15. So 27 minus, I'm trying to figure out what do I have to take away to equal 15. So remember with subtraction, we only model the first number. So I'm going to model 27. So I have 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 minus. So what do I have to take away from 7 to end up with 5? So if I take 1, 2, do I have 5 left? So I have to take away 2 to equal 5. What do I have to take away from 2 to equal 1? That's right, just 1. So 27 minus 12 equals 15. So 27 minus 12 equals 15. Now I want to show you a way to check yourself. So using your place value chart, you can always put your 15 back, because that's what you ended up with, right? And you can check yourself. You put your 2 1s back, and you put your 1 10 back, and then you check it. Do you have 27? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7. And 2 10s, 27. That's a way to check yourself. You can always go back and add your numbers together. So you've got 12 plus 15 equals that 27. Addition and subtraction are related. Awesome. Great job. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Remember, if you need a little extra help, Miss Lawler has Zoom class today.